Welcome to Education for All channel. Watch the complete video for detailed information.
Educational Commissions after Independence. University Education Commission, UEC, Year 1948. Chairmanship, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Recommendations. 3-year degree. 12 years of education. Education in concurrent list. Secondary Education Commission, SEC, Year 195253. Chairmanship, A. Laxmanaswamy Mudalia. Recommendations. Training up higher secondary and graduate teachers with practical workshops. National Committee for Women's Education, NCWE, Year 195758. Chairmanship, Shrimti Mirabai Deshmukh. Recommendations. Training, employment and empowerment of women teachers. Indian Education Commission, IEC, Year 1964. Chairmanship, D. S. Kothari. Recommendations. Teacher education and removing isolation of teacher education from schools. 10+2+3 system of education.
Thanks all for watching. Keep studying. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.